Hey, good morning, my fam. Welcome back. I'm really excited today. You know where I'm at? I'm in the place of my birth. Of course, Kingston. Love it. Come at this beautiful Airbnb. Yeah, it's magnificent. I'm gonna walk the streets of Kingston a little bit. I'm not going too far. So I'm opening up my gate. Yep, and I'm gonna close my gate. The gate's not closing. Yeah, gate's closing. You see that? Closing up the gate. The switch. So, it's the streets of Kingston, y'all. Nice, lovely. So yeah, this is Uptown, and this is where I'm coming from. Airbnb over there. See over there, yeah. Now look at this place, man. Yeah, it's nice. You know what I mean? Not scary as people think. Oh, Kingston is so scary. No, it depends on where you go and who you hang with. Okay. So yeah. So I'm walking down. I'm at King's House Avenue. Of course, you hear the name King's House. You know that's uptown. It's upscale. So I walk to. Forgot the name of this road right here. So, what a popular intersection. Vehicles coming and going. Yeah, there's school over there. School is in next door. And let's back up the street. Man, the streets are bad. Some of the streets are really bad. Yeah. I miss having my edging like this where I could cut it. See this? Love this. Did I do that? Everybody driving in, shit, except for me. Can't it today. And some dog escaped last night and dig up the trash right there. This is a nice neighborhood. Very nice. Walking the street, young man. King House Avenue. So look at them plants. You know, I love them flowers. You see them? Behind me. Plants over there. I love them. You see, this is nice, people. It's beautiful. One lady said this remind her of Florida. Here's watching the video with the dude from America. It's like, well, this reminded me of Florida. Yeah, I'd take that any day. So yeah. So I'll probably just walk up the street just to see. You know. Walking is nothing strange to me. I can do that. Pass wall, I hope there's no big bad dogs jumping out at me. And you can see people have their security cameras at the gate. People have their security cameras, security cameras looking. See, that's what I miss. This fence and this edging. It's beautiful. And of course, oh my God, the mango tree is ripened. So it has the little mangoes. I forgot what you call them. It's over there. Look at it. Swiping. No, you don't go on nobody's property. You get gunshot. You hear me? And play around with that shit. Oh my God. That is a huge mango tree. Look at it. It is big. It is big, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Yeah. So this is what we deal with in Kingston now. It's my place. See people planting their palm trees outside in front of the yard. So the sidewalk is grassed. Apparently they get a lot of rain up here, but down the other side of Kingston, nah. No, it's totally different. This is livable. This is nice and beautiful. Love this. Uh-oh, somebody's dog right there. And these dogs know how to climb over their fence. Ooh, birds fighting. So see a dog right there? Somebody's dog probably come up. I don't know if you can see him. Come on and bite the shit out of somebody. He ain't gonna bite me. He don't look like no bad dog anyway. I forgot where this gully runs from. But yeah, this is just outside my area. You can see, so it's nice. Coconut trees. And I always tell people, this is my opinion. Wherever I go in Jamaica and you see this stuff on the side, on the wire, these stuff growing on the wire, it's a upscale neighborhood. It's an expensive neighborhood. That's just everywhere I go and I see it like that. So yeah, look at this house, people. I'm walking the street, just look at them. They're not, I like the yards. The houses are not like big and gorgeous, but the yards are spectacular. They're well kept. Well kept. You know, and every yard has a fruit tree in it. Thing with Jamaica, every yard has a fruit tree. This is what fascinates me about Kingston. Every time and I always remember these plants right here. Look at these plants, different colors. These flowers is what I grew up with, and they forever itch inside of me. My mom can test to this, my brother can test to it, my sisters I don't know much. But yeah, this is the Kingston, well, that I used to. One I hopefully that I get back to someday. This is almond. This is the fruit that it's a nut come from out of it. So the kid we used to pick it. So that's this green right now when it ripes. It's gonna fall over here. Wow. This is, man. This is unbelievably beautiful. Look at all this. You know, you come, you palm tree right here, you grab the palm fruit. I don't know what you call this, but this is magnificent, y'all. Magnificent. Yeah, I'm gonna head back down to my area, but just, you know, that's the beauty of it. It's a oh my God, there's a pomegranate tree right there. Look at it, it's just flourishing. All they have to do is just draw it back over. You know, because up this area they get a lot of rain. So there's an apple tree, there's a red apple tree over there. Jesus, this mango tree. Look at these birds. Oh man, I missed Kingston. I really do. I really fucking do miss Kingston. Damn, I shouldn't be cussing. Should we take those out? Damn. I didn't mean to cuss y'all. I'm so sorry. Should I edit that out? No, they'll be alright. So yeah, it's me walking back down and, you know, just looking. Wow, I love this. Look at this house. No, the thing I like with these houses here, they're not like brand new or gigantic or anything, but they bring back so much memories, man. So much memories. I like this. It's tropical, just natural, just Oh, this is a maca tree grow tall. We used to have some of these in our yard. A lot of these, and this is the seed. This is gonna drop into some sprinkles. This is just what I've been looking for. Look at that tree again. Just grow up nice and pretty. Look at that palm tree right there, y'all. Look at that palm tree right there. That one right there. Look at it. Something else, man. Yeah, the one right there at the edge right there. It's beautiful. This right there over there is an ackee tree, some fruit trees. You just cannot beat this, man. You cannot beat this. But location, it says a lot, you know, where you at, where you locate to. But this right here is definitely an outstanding neighborhood. But I can go uptown, further uptown in the hills, and you see them big ass houses. Look behind me, that one is not that bad. But you go uptown, you see them supersonic freaking houses. They like just big, beautiful. You understand me? Just something else, man. Yeah, behind me, that beautiful house behind me. You see it? Yeah, beautiful. So, yeah, you see it? Hold the camera to an angle to catch them. Yeah, here we go right there. There we go. So yeah, man, it's just nice, ain't it? As we go along, we look at these nice, beautiful places. Yes, Daddy? Yeah. Yeah, man, as we go, we call old folks Daddy, Father B, Daddy B. It's just a thing of respect, you know? So this is where I'm going. So I'm gonna do a video from my balcony and show you guys what's going on, okay? So once again, this is the end of my street. I came back down, and this is the beauty. It is something else. It is freaking spectacular. All right, really, really spectacular. All right, so I'm gonna head on to the wife before she has a heart attack. Where her king at? All right. I think 8 opens the gate. Yeah. You see my gate's opening, y'all. Up and up, letting the king. Letting the king. Yeah, you see that? Up and up, letting in the king. All right. So I'm gonna do another video from the balcony, see what the balcony says. All right, y'all. So in the meantime, just keep cool and one love. All right, peace.